One tourist overview. The 2025 Tesla Model 3 stands out as a groundbreaking model in the electric vehicle market. Its modern aerodynamic design and impressive technology integration enhance the driving experience while providing an eco-friendly alternative. The interior is spacious and airy, outfitted with high-quality materials and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. Tesla's advanced Autopilot features offer drivers a safer driving experience. 2. Performance. The 2025 Model 3 comes with several different motor options. Power options. The standard model features a rear-wheel drive motor that produces 283 horsepower, HP, while the long-range version is equipped with a dual-motor system that delivers 346 horsepower. The performance version can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. Range. On a single charge, the Model 3 has a range of up to 490 kilometers, approximately 303 miles. The long-range version, with its larger battery, can achieve a range of up to 560 kilometers, about 348 miles. Battery. The Model 3 utilizes Tesla's innovative lithium-ion battery technology. The 75 kilowatt-hour capacity battery ensures high energy efficiency and can be charged to 80% in just 30 minutes with fast charging. Charging time. When using AC charging stations with 11 kilowatts of power, it takes approximately 7 hours to fully charge the battery. At Tesla's supercharger stations, the fast charging feature allows for a significantly shorter time to regain range. Pricing. The 2025 Tesla Model 3 offers a competitive price range based on its features. The base model starts at around $42,000, while the long-range version is priced at approximately $48,000, and the performance version comes in around $56,000. Additionally, government incentives and tax credits available for electric vehicle owners make the total cost even more attractive. Release date. The 2025 Tesla Model 3 is highly anticipated among electric vehicle enthusiasts. It is expected to hit the market in the first quarter of 2025. Tesla continues to ramp up production capacity to meet increasing customer demand, and users are eagerly awaiting this innovative model equipped with new features and cutting-edge technology.